Hi guys, we are ready with our gaming monitor. This is gaming monitor from ASUS. Yesterday I have posted one unboxing video on this gaming monitor. You can check that video for price and configuration details. This is console. Let me place those batteries in this battery tray. Good thing is they have bundled these batteries along with the pack. This is very big HDMI cable. You can see, I can say this is 2 meters, 2.5 meters length. Let me connect this cable to this monitor. Next one is a power brick. This power brick is mainly for Xbox. Here is our Xbox One S. Let me connect the power plug and HDMI port to this device. Here is the power pin. You need to put like this. I'm connecting this one to my power strip. Now connect this HDMI pin to HDMI out port. As you can see, our widely related setup has done. We have connected the required cables to monitor as well as Xbox. Let me power on my Xbox. Yes, as you can see, the Xbox One is started. Yes, here we have placed the batteries already. So as it is showing, we need to hit this button. Yes, you can see it is blinking. Now we need to press this A button. Now it is asking for languages. I will select all these things using this controller. Again you need to press A to select the option. I have selected it. It is asking like what variety of English. Generally we will select United States. Now it is checking for connection. Yes, I have some wireless network here, D-Link. Let me give the password. I have completed the password entry. Let me click on enter. As you can see, now it is trying to connect with my wireless network. It is checking the connection. It's all good. Let's continue with my next step. You can see it is updating something, and it is also showing like your console may restart during the update. Let it finish first. As you can see, it reached 91%. Yes, the update is completed and now it is trying to move to the next page. It's saying I think we need to sign in with Microsoft account. Let me sign in with my Microsoft account. Yes, as you can see, this is some initial promo. That means I connected to my Xbox successfully. That's it guys, this is Satish from Review Director. This is the quick setup of Xbox One S. I will post a dedicated video on gaming on this Asus gaming monitor, and also I will do some in-depth review of Xbox One S after a long period of usage, maybe 1 month later. If you find this video is helpful, please hit that like button and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. If you find this video is helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Please do sharing this video to reach more people. Thanks for watching this video.